Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths in Minutes with Priya. Today our video is about divisibility test again, but it is part 2. In part 1, if you remember, we learned divisibility test for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. And in last video I had promised you that in this video, that is part 2, we are going to learn divisibility test for few prime numbers. I am going to start with number 11. So let's begin. We are first going to learn divisibility test for 11. And the method is like this. In a given number, first mark all alternate digits. What is meant by alternate digits? Is one after other. Like if I start with this last digit 8, its alternate digit is 2 and next alternate is 1. See, I have left 6 and 5 in between. I have taken all alternate digits 8, 2 and 1. And now what I am going to do? I am going to take their sum. Their sum is 11. Now rest of the numbers, that is 6 and 5, they automatically become alternate. So I am going to add them 2. And that sum is 11. Now I have two sets, set 1 and set 2. These are also alternate numbers and these are also alternate numbers. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to take difference of these two. 11 and 11. Here difference is 0. Remember, when this difference is 0 or 11 or 22 or 33, that is any multiple of 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. Here the difference is 0, so this number is multiple of 11. It is divisible by 11. Let's see one more example. Next number is 9284. What I am going to do, first step is mark the alternate numbers. 2, 4. I am going to add them. 2 plus 4, that is 6. Now remaining numbers, they are also alternate and they automatically become alternate. So when I add, I get 17. Now what is the difference between 6 and 17? Difference is 11. And what is our criteria? When this difference is either 0 or 11 or 22 or 33, that means the given number is divisible by 11. So here difference is 11. This number is divisible by 11. One more example. 319. Start with this number 9. Its alternate number is 3. What is their sum? 3 plus 9 is 12. And the remaining number is 1. So just write 1 here. We don't have any other number to add to it. So it's 1. And take their difference. Difference is 11. That means the given number is divisible by 11. Now I have taken a big example, big number, so that the concept becomes more clear. Marking alternate numbers 1, 0, 1, 0. See, as far as possible, try to do it orally so you'll save your time. 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0, that is 2. And for rest, 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 26 plus 9 is 35. 2 and 35. Their difference is 33. See, it's not 2 minus 35, 35 minus 2, whatever you want to do, but we have to find a difference. Difference between 2 and 35. Difference is 33, so that means this number is divisible by 11. What this number is? It is 9 crores, 9 lakhs, 19,081. It's a big number, but just by doing these two steps, we come to know whether this is divisible by 11. One more example, 864. Alternate numbers are 4 and 8. When I add, I get 12. Now only one number remains, that is 6. Difference between these two is 6. 6 is not divisible by 11. That means this number is not divisible by 11. One more example. Here, what are the alternate numbers? 6, 3, 1. What is their sum? 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Remaining numbers 2 and 9, sum is 11. What is the difference between 10 and 11? Difference is 1. So this number is not divisible by 11. If you want to make a note, you can make a note like this. Select alternate numbers. Take sums of both sets. If the difference between their sum is 0 or any multiple of 11, then the given number is divisible by 11. That is the rule. You can note down. I hope the rule is very clear. It's very easy actually. Now let's turn to divisibility test for another prime number 7. See here, I've written one formula R plus 5L. Let me tell you the meaning of it. L is last digit and R is remaining number. Let's understand it. 637. What is the last digit here? Last digit is 7 and the remaining number is 63. So I'm just going to put this in this formula. Formula is R plus 5L. R is remaining number. Remaining number is 63 and 5L means 5 multiplied by the last digit. Last digit is 7. 7 5s are 35. And I am going to add them. Sum is 98. So if this sum is divisible by 7, then the given number is divisible by 7. It's as simple as that. Now, when I look at number 98, I immediately remember table of 14. 14 7s are 98. So 98 is divisible by 7. That means this number is divisible by 7. But if unfortunately you don't remember it, 14 7s are 98. If you don't remember table of 14, then you can apply same rule again and again till you get a number which is divisible by 7. So what we will do, again write here 98 and apply same rule. This is last digit. Remaining number is 9. Rule is 9 plus 5L. 8 5s are 40. Sum is 49. Is 49 divisible by 7? Yeah, I'm sure everybody knows 7 7s are 49. So 49 is divisible by 7. That means 637 is divisible by 7. Just remember the formula R plus 5L. I'm going to write it here again. R plus 5L. This is the formula for 7. Let's try this number 28,665. Last digit is 5. Remaining number is 2866. I'm going to copy it here. 2866 plus 5L. 5 5s are 25. Take the sum. What is the sum? 9 and 2 8. 2891. That is the sum. When I look at this number 2891, is it divisible by 7? Actually, here also I immediately came to know it is divisible by 7 because 7 4s are 28 and 13 7s are 91. So this number is divisible by 7. But still, if anyone is not able to recollect the tables, what they can try is again copy this number here 2891. Apply same criteria. This is last digit. Remaining number is 289. Add 5L, that is 5 ones are 5. And then the total is 294. If I try to divide this by 7, 7 4s are 28, 1 remains, again 4, so 7 2s are 14, divisible by 7. But again, if you are not able to do it orally, what you can do is copy 294 here. This is the last digit. Remaining digit is 29. Apply our formula r plus 5l. Remaining digit is 29. 5l is 5 4s are 20. Sum is 49. Now all know 7 7s are 49. This is divisible by 7. So this original number 28,665 is divisible by 7. Now if you see, the process is quite long. And all of you know table of 7. So what you can do is, instead of following this procedure, you can directly divide this orally by 7 and see whether it is divisible by 7. That way you can save your time, but it's up to you whether you want to use table of 7 or you are more comfortable with this procedure. Again try it one more time. Formula is r plus 5l. Last digit is 4. Remaining number is 486. So 486 plus 5 4s are 20. This comes out to 506. Again same procedure for 506. Remaining number is 50. 5 6 are 30. 50 plus 30 is 80. 80 is not divisible by 7. So this number 4864 is not divisible by 7. So clear? What was our formula? R plus 5L. Now see, formula for divisibility test of 13 is quite similar. It is R plus 4L. So now let's turn to divisibility test for 13. For 7 it was R plus 5L. For 13 it is R plus 4L. So in similar fashion we are going to do it. Remaining number is 58. Last digit is 5. So R is 58 plus 4 5s are 20, which comes out to 78. Now here, if you know table of 13, it will be good for you, save your time. 13 6 are 78. So here itself you come to know that this number is divisible by 13. But if you don't know table of 13, again try same procedure. Remaining number is 7. Last digit is 8. 8 4s are 32. This is 39. 13 3s are 39. So yes, 39 is divisible by 13. That means this number is divisible by 13. Now let's try a big number. 1,52,191. Now for this particular test, knowing table of 13 is going to help you a lot. So I will advise you to by heart it. It's not that difficult. You can by heart it in 1 hour or so. So please start by hearting it. Again let's apply the formula. Formula is R plus 4L. I'm just copying it here. R plus 4L. Last digit is 1 and the remaining number is 15219. 15219 plus 4L. 4 1s are 4. So what is the total? 15223. I'm going to copy it here. 15223. Last digit is 3. Remaining number is 1522 plus 3 4s are 12. Total is 1534. Again copy it. Last digit is 4. Remaining number is 153. 4 4s are 16. When I add, I get 169. Now here if I divide by 13, see 13 ones are 13, 3 will remain and 39, so 13 threes are 39. This number is divisible by 13, so this big number is also divisible by 13. So it was very similar to number 7, not at all difficult. Let's try one more number, 1, 2, 4, 3. Our formula is R plus 4L. Last digit is 3. Remaining number is 124 plus 4 3s are 12. Total is 136. Now if I divide 136 by 13, see 13 ones are 13 and 6 will be the remainder. So that means this number is not divisible by 13. That means this number is also not divisible by 13. See, this type of test, if the numbers are big, you can try. But if numbers are small, then knowing the table itself is very much beneficial to save the time. So now we are done with divisibility test for 7, 11 and 13. Now let's move to divisibility test for 19. It is again very similar to tests for 17 and 13. Formula is R plus 2L. Going to mark the last digit. Remaining number is 47. 2L is 2 5s are 10. So this is 57. Now again knowing table of 19 is important. 19 3s are 57. This is divisible by 19. So 475 is divisible by 19. Trying it here. Mark the last digit 6. Remaining number is 1052. Our formula is R plus 2L. So 1052 is remaining digit. 2L is 2 6s are 12, which comes out to 1064. Copying it here. Last digit. Remaining number 106. 4 2s are 8. 114. 114 is what? So if you know the table of 19, you will immediately get 19 6s are 114. So you will immediately get that this number is divisible by 19. That means this number is also divisible by 19. But if you forgot table of 19, then what you can do again, try similar test on 114. Remaining number is 11. Last digit is 4. 4 2s are 8. Sum is 19. 19 is divisible by 19. That means the original number 10,526 is divisible by 19. Let's try it one more time. Last digit is 0. Formula is R plus 2L. Remaining number is 142. 2L is 2 into 0. That is 0. 142. Write down 142 here. 2 is last digit. Remaining number is 14. 2 2s are 4. Sum is 18. 18 is definitely not divisible by 19. That means this number is not divisible by 19. Very similar is test for 23, test for 29 and test for 43. What I am going to do is, for every test I am going to cover one example. Divisibility test for 23 has a formula R plus 7L. Last digit is 0. Remaining number is 1725. 7 into 0 is 0. So 1 is 1725. I am writing it here. 5 is the last digit. 172 plus 7 5s are 35. Sum is 207. remaining number is 20, 7 sevens are 49, this is 69. 23 threes are 69, so 69 is divisible by 23. So again you see, knowing table of 23 is important. 23 threes are 69, so this number is also divisible by 23. Since 69 is divisible by 23, original number 17,250 is divisible by 23. For 29, formula is R plus 3L. R is 217, 3 5s are 15, this is 232, I'm copying it here. 23 plus 3 2s are 6, sum is 29, 29 is divisible by 29, so 2175 is divisible by 29. Now divisibility test for 43. Now here it is R plus 13L. So see, again table of 13 is important. Number is 782. You can try it for big numbers also. Remaining number is 78. 13 2s are 26. 94. If I copy 94 here. Remaining number is 9. 13 4s are 52, sum is 61. 61 is not divisible by 43, so number 782 is not divisible by 43. So what we saw today is, see, I have given you a ready table here. For all these prime numbers, these are the formulae. For 7 it is R plus 5L, 13 R plus 4L, 19 R plus 2L, 23 R plus 7L, 29 R plus 3L, and 43 is R plus 13L. For 11 what we did? We chose alternate numbers and we tried that test. You can rerun this video to understand it better. With this we have come to an end of part 2 video. In part 3 of divisibility test, we will cover the tests of 17, 31, 37, 41 and 47, and later we are going to start with factorization videos and then LCM and HCF. What I advise you is, every day you better recite the tables. See, up to 20 everybody knows the tables, but tables of 23, 27, 29, they may consume a little more time. So for this particular numbers, you can recite the tables every day 3 times. It will take just a few minutes, but it is going to save you a lot of time and energy required for calculation. And when you do factorization of big numbers and then find LCM and HCF for fraction addition and subtraction, you will find that since you knew the table, you are faster than other students. So please start by hearting. Now see you in next video, part 3. Till then, keep learning. Take care of your health. Bye for today.